Ooh. You guys, this is a journey, like a huge journey. I have never been to a chiropractor, but I am going to do it today because I'm just trying everything to make sure I have a successful way back, and I'm having a lot of pain and all of that stuff. So I've heard good things about chiropractors and all of that. So today I'm going to see if if it's worth it. And I plan to be going till the end of my pregnancy. I hear that for pregnancy there's a different technique and there are specialized chiropractors for it. So I found one and I am going there today. So I'll just get ready.
Want to change?
What's the What's your point?
Hamburgers.
Guys, good morning. So it's my first OB appointment today. Yes, it's my first OB appointment today. I'm so tired, I'm so out of breath. I've been waiting for this referral for like forever, and finally I got referred. This is my third trimester and this is the first time I'm going to be seeing an OB. So it's kind of weird. It's not what I expected. I expected to have started seeing an OB early, but I think if you're or when you're low risk, they basically do not make you see an OB so quick and all. I don't know the logic behind it, but today we are going to be discussing my VBAC. We are going to be discussing this breathlessness. I had a phone call already with this OB. I had a phone call and she tried to talk to me about everything and what went wrong. So this time around we're just going to discuss. I just want to talk about everything that bothers me. I'll be getting my husband and let's get going. So guys, I am back from my OB's appointment. Everything went okay. I got the Tdap vaccine and I am being sent for gestational diabetes blood work again. Like, I'm tired of it. I've done this this will be the fourth time in one pregnancy. So all my numbers have been good and I hope this will be the last time that I get to do it. Baba, live there. And my blood levels are pretty low. I started taking like iron supplements, but I'm not tolerating it very well. I'm so tired, out of breath. Like, I don't feel like myself. Now my OB is saying that my numbers, like my ferritin and hemoglobin, MCH, I don't know, all the stuff, the numbers have to be a certain level and mine is below that. So she's going to be referring me for an iron transfusion because I am not tolerating the tablets properly and my numbers are still very low. As someone who is like coming to the end of the pregnancy, they have a certain number they want you to be at. So I will be going for an iron transfusion in a couple of weeks. Okay, so I did try this for my first pregnancy, but not this brand though. I took red raspberry leaf tea when I was pregnant with my first, but I started like at 36 weeks. But in this pregnancy, I had like some leftover tea bags from my first pregnancy, so I took it a few times, like a couple of times in my second trimester. But right now, it is my third trimester, like deep into it, and I started my last pregnancy. I started at 36 weeks, but this time I want to start much earlier, so I am going to make this. I want to make this variation where I see people just use cranberry juice. I have some cranberry juice, some pineapple juice if you have. I couldn't find that in the store, and I'm in love with orange juice right now, so I'm going to try the orange juice. I personally like my tea just brewed hot, sip, drink like that. I don't know how this is going to taste, but I'm going to make it in a very small quantity. If it's something that I love, then I'm going to make a big batch of it and just be taking 1 or 2 cups every day, because I don't want to go past 41 weeks. Like, that's the max. And since I'm trying for a VBAC, I don't want anything that's going to get to an induction or another C-section. So let's try this. I have like 2 cups of water here, so I'm going to add two tea bags. I'll just let this come to a boil for about 5 to 8 minutes. Then we'll drink it. I need to just add some ice. This is my tea. I let it cool down, so I'm just going to pour some in. Too much. And then the cranberry juice. Finally, some of my orange juice rather. Moment of truth. Oh, this is nice. For real, it's nice. I'm going to make a whole batch of this so that I can be doing like 1 to 2 glasses every day. This does not put you into labor, it just helps tone your cervix according to what people say. Please ask your midwife, your OB/GYN before you. I'm going to keep you guys updated on everything that I do to have a VBAC. Hopefully, by the grace of God, I have a VBAC, a successful VBAC. So let me know in the comments if you tried this and if it worked for you. Like, my toddler keeps me on my toes all the time.
Yes. And I think while you're on the
Oh my God. So, I'm really changing. Oh my God. Today I have decided to set up the bedside crib. I am getting very close. So I don't have my baby, what they call it, crib set yet. I'm trying to make like a sidecar thing to attach it to my bed. So I just brought it out from the store because we are using like the same one that I used for my first. I just went to bring it from the storage and I'm about to set it up. I don't know if I can record the whole setting, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I'm finally done. Had to adjust the crib, like do some adjustments for it to match the height of the bed. I couldn't finish it myself. Hubby had to help me. Also, if you look down, I have strapped it to our mattress, or rather to our bed, so that it doesn't move. So it's pretty sturdy. And then I had to childproof this edge because of my toddler. So basically, the sidecar is ready. I think it only makes sense to just complete packing my hospital bag. I just started throwing things inside. I think I need to just pack this bag so that towards the end I'm not so exhausted and I don't really have my strength to put things together. So let's see, let's pack this bag. This is olive oil so that I don't tear because I'm trying to be back this time. So, and a spray bottle. My stay is a bit tricky because I'm going to stay with my husband and my toddler. So I'm also packing for them. So thank you, baby. Ma, thank you. You want to come down? Come down. For hubby and I, my toddler. This is my toddler's soap and lotion. Toiletries. One set of pajamas. One night's gown. My going home outfit. Nursing bras. Like 2 nursing bras. The extension cups. 2 bra tops. A little outfit check as we're going for our friend's 60th birthday.
There's so much more to to her. I said, "Yeah, you need my address." She said, "No, I know where you are." Yeah. And I said, "This is a good one. Is it?" Yeah, I have. Oh wow! Look at how fancy the bottle is.
The bottle itself, that was good.
It's my house.
Right?
You know what? I should put padding on that chair in case your water breaks or something. Where's Kanye?
She's just getting the Velcro binder.
Okay.
You might have picked this guy.
Oh, they're back.
Everybody's got a business.
Let's just wait for Anita. Anita, are you coming?
Oh, yeah.
We're just, yeah.
Oh.